A, the transverse, and B, longitudinal. Of the hind side, what is known to us is there is no rider on a particular wave. Could you remind me on that wave?
Longitudinal wave.
So longitudinal.
Wave, there is no rider, but certainly there is one which is of great import with transverse. And what that being, Adesh?
Sorry, sir.
One contention, bone of contention. Yeah.
Transverse wave.
Yes, I couldn't get you. Yeah. What is the bone of contention? That is transverse wave is to come with a rider. But what that rider? What was that rider? What we are to look
Sir,
for?
it happens in bulk. So transverse wave is not in bulk.
No. I'm not asking to paraphrase. I'm asking you about the amorphous, broad base your answer, please. What was the one attribute which was required for establishment of transverse wave? Yes, Adis. What is that one attribute required if you want to establish transverse wave? It requires there is something quintessential about transverse wave. What that quintessential? What is the prerequisite?
So,
let Adis answer.
Sir, I don't know.
If you have to continue, then I'll have to reappeal your admission. This is not done. I know that you are occupied with your institute, and that's the reason I'm keeping it very suboptimal. These are not questions which you can miss on.
Yes, sir.
There's no point otherwise. If you want to continue suboptimally, this is not the place. Am I clear, Adesh?
Yes, sir.
Please be careful next time.
Yes, sir.
If I catch hold of you more than 5 times, I'll have to repeat. And I'll make no bones about it.
Yes, sir.
After that very day, I'll repeat. I'll say that you've been repeated. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Vedant, you were saying something.
yes, sir. So it requires elasticity of medium.
Very good. It requires elasticity of medium. If the medium is not elastic, or you can relate it with particles of medium. If particles of medium is any particle you have taken is inelastic in nature, any particle, mind you, please use the word that I'm into using when it comes to examination, because that is what they may nudge you on. Any particle, if you take any single particle which is inelastic in nature, then that particle is actually in propagation of wave. If wave hits that particle will not reciprocate. So that particle part, whatever part it was to play, if I am to remove that part, then I'll say some amount of energy which would have otherwise got propagated, got dissuaded by the particle, right? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Medium per se, if the medium per se, one and all particles, if they are inelastic in nature, then of course there is no question of wave establishment. Which wave? Which wave?
Transverse.
Transverse wave. There is no question of wave establishment in that medium. Now, as far as longitudinal is concerned, we are aware of that longitudinal wave doesn't come with any rider, so it can get established anywhere, right? Yeah?
Yes, sir.
It
Yes,
can
sir.
get established anywhere. Good enough. Let's further. Now, a wave which I am to begin with, a kind which I am to begin with, is no one over here greenhorn to. I can say no one of you is greenhorn to a wave which I am to begin my journey of waves with. And that being, there's a string or a rope. One end of the rope is tied to wall. Got it, yeah?
Yes, sir.
One end of the rope is nailed in the wall. Got it?
Yes,
so
sir.
one
Yes, sir.
end of the rope is nailed in the wall, the other is held by me. Got it, yeah?
Yes,
The
sir.
other
Yes,
is
sir.
held by me. Now what I do, I give it a kink. Got it?
Yes,
What
Yes.
I do,
Yes, sir.
rope, keeping it taut. Rope is taut. Rope is taut. What I do, I give rope a kink. By the way, there are 2 points that I would like to make over here amply clear to all of you. Point number 1, that if you don't keep to certain minimum basic criteria which is required for association, then there will be a repeat. Point number 2, if you are keeping yourself beyond my expectation of average, then there will be in short time to come. As you know, we'll also be preparing for KVPY. So in a short time to come, there will be a launch for KVPY for 3 or 2.5 months. If you are keeping yourself above it, then you are to get waiver. You'll be able to get waiver. If you are keeping yourself below the datum, then you don't stand a chance to be a party. Is it okay? So there are 2 categories over here. A, you are to keep to basic minimum, and B, if you want to take a waiver in the course that will be launched in a few days from now, then you'll have to keep yourself floating against either the test that I am taking or the test that you will be taking at your institute. Both I am open to, equally open to, I'm even on them, right? But you'll have to be in the upper echelon, the top bracket. Having said that, let us get back to the experimentation that I
So,
was in. I give,
Sir,
yes,
sir,
Vedant.
so when
starting.
is,
Yes,
so when
Vedant.
is KVPY held?
KVPY is held, this time it will be held in the month of November, dear.
Okay, sir.
So you're
Okay.
starting KVPY.
Yes, who is this?
Krish, sir.
Krish, tell me.
So you're starting for KVPY now. It's
I'll be starting, not now. I'll be starting in, I think 4 to 5 days from now, we'll be launching. So,
all
but
three.
that will be a separate, means that batch will start and that batch will run almost every day for at least 1 hour. There's a different ball game there. There's a different methodology that I'll be applying for it because that is will be primarily focused on KVPY. Okay.
Yes, sir. One question. Will you be taking?
KVPY goes beyond mains. It is
Yes,
on syllabi, if I am to take, it is less than what is advanced. But when you are talking of in-depth value, then in-depth valuation is beyond mains. And in-depth valuation also will be taken certain part, only certain part, which are limited to wave, light, and modern. And they are the ones which KVPY will focus on as they are not incorporated in the advanced syllabi. Is it okay, dear?
Yes, and one question.
Yeah.
We'll be taking all subjects, sir. Physics, chemistry, math.
Yes. All. PCM. PCM.
Yes. So I would like to join,
Okay.
sir.
PCM. I'll be taking PCM and it will come with a progress report on weekly basis. Every week you are to appear for an examination based on whatever will be covered that week. Okay. So that's an
Yes,
exclusive design altogether. Okay, I'll be talking more about it, but as just I make the point clear that it will be fructified. It will be to me fructified. It will be to you of any benefit if you are in a particular bracket. If you are not in a particular bracket, it is not about milking. Is it okay, dear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now rope being nailed in the wall, and I'm holding it over here. Got it, dear? I'm holding it over
Yes,
here.
sir.
I give it a kink. I give it a kink. Look at my index and thumb. Look at my index and thumb. Visible, yeah? Visible to all of you?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now the rope is clinched. The rope is clinched between my index finger and thumb. And I give it a kink. Tell me, as you give it a kink, the shape which you are going to get formed in the rope or string. There's a shape which will get formed, right here? Agreed, all of you? Must have done
Yes,
all of
yes,
your
sir.
presentation.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Either this or something akin to this you must have. So when you move your fingers up and down, then you give a shape to a string or rope, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And that shape, the bump, the hump that you are getting, that is not to remain there forever, will it? I'm going by your experience. The
No,
bump or the hump that you are getting owing to kink that you have generated, the jerk that you give is getting you a hump. The shape of hump, whatever will happen to you, I'll come to it later. But my question being only two, will it remain contained to that point or it is to move on the rope? Tell me
It
that.
is to move on the rope.
It will move
yes.
on the rope and you are facilitating that movement by keeping the rope taut, right? Yeah. So we
Yes.
are keeping the rope
Yes.
taut. There is enough tension and accordingly movement being facilitated. Now look at this. This is the hump that I got. Got it? This is the hump.
Yes,
Is it okay?
sir.
Yeah. Assume this to be the hump. This hump which I am getting on the rope will move, right? Will move on the rope.
Yes.
Agreed, all of you? So it moves on the rope. Okay. As it is moving on the rope, what it is doing to the points coming in its way? As it is moving on the rope, what it is doing to the points coming in its way? Think about it, dear. My question being very specific.
The vertical
I am talking of a
displacement.
rope. So please be with blinkers on and look only at the rope. Correct, dear? I
Yes,
cannot
sir.
see anything other than the rope. Then I can see the hump which is part of rope. Correct, dear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
This is rope only. This is rope only to you. Correct? The hump is rope only to you. Say me yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And as the
Yes,
hump
sir.
is moving forward, what it is doing to the points coming in its way? Hump is moving forward and moving on the rope. What it is
Sir,
doing to the points
displacing.
coming on its way?
Sir,
The
displacing.
vertical displacement.
It is moving. It is moving the points coming in its way in the vertical direction, right, Adesh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it moves. And the moment bump is off that point, the moment bump is off that region, what will happen to the point? What will happen to the region? Tell me, dear. The
So the
moment bump
particle
is
will.
off the point which you took, the moment bump is off this region, it was over here, now it is off this region. What will happen to this region? Will it be back resurrected? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Will it be back
Yes,
to its
sir.
shape? Will it be resurrected? All of you say me yes or no? Pratyush.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It will be
Yes, sir.
resurrected. Right, dear? So
Yes, sir.
what we gain of this experimentation? What are the points that we observe? Point number one. My index finger and thumb. My index finger and thumb are manifestation of particles on the rope. Agree? My
Yes,
index
sir.
finger and thumb are manifestation of particles on the rope. By that, what I mean, that index finger and thumb do a particle of rope. They are moving. They are moving exactly in the same fashion. What will any particle on the rope? Why? Because index finger and thumb, they are also doing a particle of the rope. Think about it. Think about it. What did I say? Let me manifest it for you. What did I say is this? This is the rope, right here to begin with.
Yes, sir.
Is it okay? This is
Yes,
the
sir.
rope, right, Krish, to begin with?
Yes, sir.
And then what we do, we think of this point, all of you. I am thinking of this point. Is it part of rope, yes or no? Is this point
Yeah.
part of rope, yes or no, dear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
So
sir.
when you move your finger, index finger and thumb upwards, when you move it upwards and bring it back to this position, are you not moving particle of rope up and bring it back to this position? Say yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And after some time, what do you find? After some time, you find there being a hump generated. Agreed, yeah?
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or
Yes.
no? All of you.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
And this hump which is being generated, will not remain over here. We are going by experimentation here. I'll prove why will it not remain here later mathematically. But for now, it will not remain over here and will start moving towards the wall. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
so it
sir.
starts moving towards the wall, and as the hump is moving towards the wall, what it is doing to the particles coming in its way, known to all of you, right? Yeah. What will it do to the particles coming in way? It will try to lift it, correct? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now let me be an ask. This hump is at the position shown. It comes over here. Okay. Is it okay, all of you?
Yes, sir.
It comes
Yes, sir.
over. And keeping to its nature, and keep to its nature, what will it try to do to this particle?
We'll try to
In
lift it.
keeping to its nature, tell me, dear, in keeping to its nature, what will it try to do to that particle? Yes, someone was saying something. Yes, please.
Try to move the particle. Try to lift it.
Try to move the particle. In which direction, Krish?
Upwards.
Upwards. Very good. It will try to move the particle upwards. But this particle belongs to wall, correct, dear?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
This particle belongs
Yes,
to
sir.
wall, and wall is rigid in nature, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, what will wall do in turn? Will it take it lying down? Will it give string or bump a free run? Tell me, dear.
No.
Will the
It'll
wall
put it down.
give bump
No.
free run? Will it let it exercise what it wants to? Say me yes or no.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
So what will it do? It will apply a resistive force, correct?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Apply a
Yes,
resistive
sir.
force. As this bump is trying to apply a force or is applying a force, and thereby the implied motion should have been upwards, but that is being arrested by wall. Why? Wall applies a force in which direction? Downward direction, right? Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's the case. If that's the case, then what we can infer from here, what is the wall to be said doing? Can I say wall is doing a source? Can I say wall is doing a source? By that, what I mean, that you can replace wall by a person who is moving his fingers downwards.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Got it. Okay, dear. You need to take the analysis. These are all analytical. What we are into saying are all analytical. So you need to keep your analytical buzz. Is it okay? What did I mean by it? This was trying to pull, the bump was trying to move up this point, but wall being it fixed to, what will wall do to arrest this, to annul this motion? It will apply force in the downward direction, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
As it is applying force in the downward direction, can we say that wall is nothing but manifestation of source? Wall is manifestation of source. Agreed or not? Think about it. Say
Yes,
yeah.
sir.
So if I
Yes.
remove wall and place a person out here who is trying to apply force in which direction? Downward direction, correct?
Yes, sir.
Who is trying to apply
Yes, sir.
force in which direction? Downward direction, right, dear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
And
sir.
if
Yes, sir.
trying to apply force in the downward direction, then tell me what according to you, will be the after effect of this force? The force that person is trying to apply. Got it, yeah? What will be the after effect? Think of a scenario in which you are applying force in the downward direction, back to the initial, back to from where I began. Now this is the string. I'm holding it over here. What did I say? I move my finger downwards now. Is it okay? I
Yes,
move my
sir.
fingers downwards. Is it okay? Thumb finger and pointer downwards. Is it okay, dear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Moved
sir.
upward to get this shape, got it? I moved
Yes, sir.
upward to get this shape, got it or not? If I move downward, what is the shape that I'll be getting?
Opposite to this, sir. It'll be reflection of this.
Right here, mirror image of this. Can we say mirror image of this, Krish?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay. In that case, if this person is applying force, as we know, in which direction? Downward direction, right? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So what will be
Yes, sir.
ramification of that force? What will that force yield us? What will be ramification of that force? What is that force to yield us? Can we say that that force will see a bump in making, but that bump will be shaped as shown? Think about it, yeah.
Yes, sir. You're
It
correct.
is not out yet. That is in making. What did I say? That force. Which force? This one. Correct, yeah? Visible?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes,
This
sir.
force will see a bump in making. A bump in making, okay? And this bump in making is not yet out in open. So again, analysis. Getting it, yeah? Again, we are trying to analyze the situation and what is still to see. Now, look over here. I have marked it direct. What to you is to be over here observed by all of you to be observed that this particle cannot move a whimper, right?
Yes,
This
sir.
particle cannot move even by a shred. Tell me why did I say so? Why can't this particle move? Because this particle is fixed to wall, correct, dear?
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
This particle is fixed to wall and is inflicted simultaneously by two waves. And is inflicted simultaneously by two waves. Which two waves?
Yes,
One
up and
which is organic, one which is organic coming from where? Coming from our right to left, correct? Yeah.
yeah.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
From our right and moving to left, right? Yeah. Precisely,
Yes,
correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, that is the organic wave, the parent wave. Now, the other wave that we are getting is subject to wall doing a source, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
There is another source to us who is moving downwards this point. This movement will result in another bump. But that bump is yet to show. Can I say?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
That bump is yet to show. Okay, good enough. Now, assume that the shape of parent bump is same and it is entering the wall. Got it? I repeat. Shape of parent bump is same and it is entering the wall. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Out. As a result of this motion, what will happen to this red mark? Only due to the white bump. Concentrate on the white bump. Got it, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Because the white bump is entering, keeping its shape undeterred. White bump is entering the wall. So what will the white bump do to the pink point? It will raise it, lift it, say yes or no.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But we
Sir.
are aware of it being not lifted, correct?
Oh,
Not that I'm into obfuscating it. I'm trying to make it clear. Are you getting it here? So
Yes,
no
sir. Yes.
approach over here. Exactly what will happen is what we are trying to get a read on. Is it fine with all of you?
Yes, sir.
So as I'm keeping it intact and moving it in, only due to the white one, pink mark was ordained to move up. Agreed?
Yeah.
yes, sir.
But
Yes,
it
sir.
cannot. Correct? But
Yes,
it
sir.
cannot. So which is the bump that can get me the redemption? Which
the
is
one-
the bump by which I can get the redemption? Yes, dear, tell me.
That's reflection. It's
The
reflection.
one, the pink one, correct, dear?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
The pink one. So pink one will move out. And pink one is to move out in equal measure. By that what I mean, if white one is going in by X, then pink one should come out by X. Why? Why in equal measure?
So orange.
Why did
there'll
I
be-
say equal measure? Any one of you?
Because if it's not,
Sir, is
the
it
point
because,
might move.
Yeah, one at a
sir,
time. Right?
sir,
Krish, go
is
ahead.
it because when the what do you call hump or point in the wall applies a force on the point, the pink point again applies a force on the white one.
That is being taken into account, Adish. And that's the reason. See, force has got a manifestation. And force got its manifestation in the bump now, pink bump now. Where from we are getting pink bump? Pink bump is a manifestation of force. So we are not to redo it. Are you getting it? Once
Yes,
the
sir.
force is being taken and given the form and manifestation as shown over here, we are not to overdo it by taking it again, correct?
Yes,
So
sir.
Yes, sir.
let us keep the force aside and read force as manifestation shown in pink over here. Got it, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Krish, will you try?
Yeah, sir. If both of them don't have equal displacement, there's a chance for the particle P to move. That the particle
Very
there.
good. Exactly. Exactly. As the parent is moving in, let's say it displaces the particle upward by y. Got it, yeah?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Okay. Now you want this to get neutralized, correct? There should not be any
Yes.
y. You want this y to get annulled. And the only force by which, or the only manifestation of force by which it can be annulled is the pink bump. Correct, yeah?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
what will the pink bump do? It will neutralize. And how it can neutralize? By displacing this particle, which being displaced by white one, which being displaced by white one by some amount, you are to undo that displacement by displacing it in equal measure. Can we say that?
Yes,
By
sir.
displacing
Yes,
it in equal measure. I'll show it to you over here. Look over here. This is the displacement caused by white one. Got it here? There
Yes, sir.
was particle it got
Yeah.
displaced. Right here? Got displaced by
Yes.
what quantum? Y. Got displaced. Where is the particle now? Or where would have been the particle owing to only white one? It would have been at position A. Can we say?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Position A, which we cannot approve of, right, Krish?
Yes,
Which we
sir.
cannot approve of. Say me yes or no, Krish.
Yes, sir.
So what we are to do? We are to make it nullified. We are to make it nullified. And how can we make it nullified? Anyone, Pratyush? How can I neutralize it? How can I nullify it?
Sir, just opposite to direction we can apply.
So how it can? This is y. This got displaced. This point got displaced by y. Correct? Can you see this,
Yes, sir.
Pratyush?
Yes, sir.
Now I cannot approve of this displacement. You know that very well. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But
Yes,
I
sir.
can whimsical. I cannot say anything without any rationale that it will not move. It is moving. As we are taking analysis over here, it is moving and moving upward. At the same time, we know it cannot move. So can
Yes,
we
sir.
reason it out? How will I make it static at its place? How will I neutralize this motion? Yes, Pratyush.
Sir, downward force that wall will apply.
Okay, so what should happen? What should this wave do? Downward force has got a manifestation, I told you already. So what
Yes, sir.
this shape or hump do? How can it help neutralize Y? How can it help nullify that displacement? How can it? Because this point has got displaced upwards. And we know the backdrop is there with us. That's why it cannot, right?
Yes, sir.
I cannot say
Yes, sir.
willy-nilly anything. I'll have to reason it out, which is what I said, for which I seek your help. If this is to be nullified, if this is to be brought to a zero, then what is to help me achieving it? Yes, Pratyush. What will help me achieving it? Which is with the term shown over here. Straight,
So we have
bump
to.
up, down, straight left. Which of the four segment will come to my rescue? Will I find refuge in?
We have to just nullify displacement. Why no?
Yes, of course, we have to disavow and nullify. Otherwise, what? You want to take it along. If you want to take it along, a wall is to crumble. Isn't
No,
it? Yeah.
sir.
What question are you asking me, Pratyush? If you are to take this moving upward, then wall will remain. Will the particle remain here?
No, sir.
Then the wall will drop down to rubles, and the particle of the wall, which is part of wall, will move. So that cannot be the case. We know that doesn't happen. That will happen if you have very strong earthquake, or if the energy is very high. That high energy we are not providing to rope. Correct? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So I want to nullify Y. Help me. How will I? And I don't want to nullify holding it. That I can't do. I have to nullify it with the help of four segments shown over here. Either this straight, this bend up, this bend down, or this straight. These are
Sir,
the
bend
four
down.
at my disposal. You have to nullify it with the help of one of them.
Sir, bend down that red mark. Yes,
The
red
red
mark.
one. What the red one do? The red one will have to now show. Can I say?
Yes, sir.
The red one will have to now show. It is here. It comes out. It comes out. Right here. Check it out. Check it out, all of you. It comes out. Can we say?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
And when it comes out, then what we would have done to this particle, it would have moved it down by equal measure Y, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now Y up owing to white bump and Y down owing to pink bump, correct, dear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
What
sir.
then we is comfortable in our skin. Why? We rest our concern, we rest our case. Our case being it cannot move. Correct, dear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And
Yes.
we got that established. Say me yes or no.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
We got that established. Yes. If the shape of both the bumps are to remain same, mind you what I'm saying. If the shape of both the bumps are to remain same, then what we are to say is by whatever quantum white will get in, by same quantum, pink should come out, correct?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And it is to be maintained, right, dear?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, in actual, will you be ever able to see the condition shown on board? Of course, you have to say no. Why? Because you cannot see part beyond wall, right, dear?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay, and you cannot see this part, of course, will not be visible, will not be visible, will not be visible. Good enough. So we are now to conflate them, correct? In order to see the exact, what we are to get is to see the exact only when we are superimposing them, amalgamating them, or collating them. Is it okay, dear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Can
sir.
we superimpose them? Can we amalgamate them? Can we collate and then get to C? Tell me, looking only to the right of wall, because that is the only part we are privy to, correct? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Tell me, which is to cover more area? Which of the two, white bomb or the pink bomb, is to encapsulate higher area? Tell me, dear.
Sir, I don't understand the question. Area in the sense.
Area means I have assumed only small part of white inside of wall, right, Krish?
Yes, sir.
So this part we are oblivion to. We cannot view. We can view only to the part which is to right. And right we have this white one.
Yes,
This
sir.
white
Yeah, I
one,
got it.
which is covering what area? This area visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And the pink one, correct? Yeah. Which is
So the
covering
Yes,
white
what?
one.
This one, visible.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes.
Which is higher on measurement?
So
Sir, the
white
white.
one.
One.
The white one. Therefore, the shape which you will be observing is governed by white one and is meager, minuscule, miniature of the actual. Can we say?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it okay, dear? It should be in the form that's shown over here. It cannot be below. It is above. Why? Because white is calling shots. Correct, dear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Well, the white is calling shots. It is to have the same inclination, same lopsided inclination as that of white, and white is up the rope. Therefore, you are having the shape governed by white one, but is much smaller on dimension. Can we say that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good enough. Now, Vedant, tell me if half of the white is coming in, then
Yes, sir.
half of the pink should come out, right?
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So what will you be observing? String. What will be the shape of string when half part of white is in? How will it shape?
So quarter of a circle.
It's shaped this way, correct?
Yes, sir. So quarter
When
of a circle.
less than half was in, it's shaped as shown on board. When
Yeah, yes.
half is in, how will it shape?
So
Is my question clear, Vedant?
yeah, yes, sir.
Okay, tell me, dear. Think about it, take a call, no issue.
So quarter of a you can say ellipse or
Okay,
oval.
I don't know how you're getting ellipse. Anyway,
So
Adesh,
oval.
Sir, will it be along the mean position after that?
So can you repeat the question once again?
Yes, sir.
half
Could you?
white bump is in. Half of, see, over here, less than half of white is in, correct? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now what I am saying, it will not stop. Of course, they are moving and I have taken them to be in motion undeterred, correct? Yeah. That is the analysis that we are in, correct?
Yes, sir.
So this is going in and this is coming out, right?
Yes, sir.
White is going in and pink is coming out. Semi yes or no, dear? Will
Yes,
the bump
sir.
remain there after of getting formed? Or will it move?
It will move.
It will move. So white is getting in and pink is coming out, correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now white got, let us say, halfway in. So accordingly, you will say pink is to come halfway out, correct?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yes,
yes, sir.
So that is there with us. That is the analysis. What did I ask? My question was positioned on how will the string shape now? This one. This is string, how it is to shape. Just before of what I am referring now to, it's shaped this way, correct?
yes, sir.
Yeah,
Just,
yes.
Okay, yes.
just before means when certain part, not half, but less than half of white was in. Correct, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Then this is the analysis and this is what the string shapes to. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Now I'm saying go beyond it. Half is out and half is out and half is in. Correct?
Okay, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then how will this string shape? What will you view? You will not view this, right? In the previous case, you viewed this, correct?
Okay, yes, sir.
Yes,
In
sir.
this case, what will you view? Come on, dear. Very simple as this.
Sir, will it be dot?
Yes. What will you view now? What will you
So
be
this-
observing now? How will the string shape now?
So it will be dot.
It will be tout is okay. Tout it is always. Through and through the motion observation, it should be tout. Otherwise, shape will change. So tout, the tout string is on its extension being maintained. That is not to change.
So it'll be a straight line, sir. It'll just be a straight line. There
It will
won't be
be a
any.
straight line. What took you this long, Adesh? Anyway, Krish, you did
Sir,
answer
when I
good.
said tout, I meant that.
Of course, it will be a straight line. Why did you take this length and that too didn't come up with the answer? Look into it. It is a very simple ask here. It's all logical. Not to be related to physics, by the way. You are talking of half being in, correct? Half is in, and over here, this half is out. Right? So what will happen? What will happen? Think about it. Every motion in the upward direction is annulled by same measurement in downward direction. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Equalities up, whatever, down the same. Thereby, what you will be able to see when halfway being in is a straight line. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we go beyond it. And that being more part of pink is out. Pink is out by more than half and white is in by more than half. Is it okay?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Pink is out by more than half and white is in by more than half. Tell me, Pratyush, how will it shape now? I repeat my question. Pink bulb is out by more than half. Accordingly, white bulb is in by more than half, right? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So, what shape you will view of the string or row? As of yet, we have viewed two. First one, and this is the second one. Yes, Pratyush, answer please.
Yes, sir.
Answer, it won't ask for this length of time. Yes, sir means what?
So I think it will be straight line.
It will be a straight line. How? Justify. Justify. How?
Wait, sir, 2 minutes.
Sir,
Wait a
Will
minute.
it-
Wait. Wait, Adesh. Let Pratyush answer. You are now, all of you, for the days, the time I'm launching, under the radar of observation. Please be careful. Don't utter
Yes, sir.
whatever is coming to you. Please be very careful. I don't generally say don't forewarn, but to you I am. Whatever you'll be saying is getting. That is how I'm qualifying to be a party.
So there's a lot of
Yeah.
disturbance.
yes, sir. There's a lot of what do you call
There's
noise,
static.
static noise.
Taking on, I presume. Yes, Pratyush, tell me quickly now. Enough of time. More part of pink is out.
Yes, sir.
Part of white is in. That is the scenario.
So it
This
will
will give what shape? Yes, Pratyush.
a curved type shape, a bit.
Yes, please.
Curved type shape like
Curve, bend. Okay, curve. I take curve. How? Bend up, bend down.
Down, bend down, bend down.
Good,
Yes, sir.
good, good. So, can we say it will be replica of this in the back downward direction, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So this is what you will be getting, and when white is completely in, all of you, when white is completely in, what will happen? Pink will be completely out. Say me yes or no.
Oh,
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir.
And when pink is completely out, Adesh, what is your
Yes.
observation? What is your observation vis-a-vis the full sum in totality, in entirety, shape of white and shape of pink?
Sir, there won't be any shape of Y, but there'll be one full hump of the pink one in the downward direction. So there'll be a jerk that will be in the backward direction. So there'll be a
Yes, it
flow
is
of wave in the
its
backward
totality.
direction.
Yes, very good, dear. When it is out in its totality, we are now into the finality of the observation that we are in. Correct, yeah?
Yes,
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Finality of observation says that white was, as seen over here, oriented with the hump in the upward direction. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
You can say a bowl which is turned turtle. Correct, dear? A bowl which is right side down. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And now, when you are getting pink one, then you are getting a bowl which is right side up. Can we say that?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So there is chalk and cheese difference between the two. I'm saying so there being chalk and cheese difference between the two is because the shape that you are getting is inversion. Inversion of the shape which was incident. Can we say that?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Version of the shape which was incident. This was incident right here. And what you got is an inversion. That means you are getting a mirror image of it in the rope, correct?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
And this
sir.
inversion in mathematics is called phase difference of pi. Okay? This inversion is called phase difference of pi or out of phase.
Sir, I have a question.
And the phrase being out of phase. Is it okay? That means incident wave and reflected wave. They share a phase difference of pi radian. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I have a
Kadesh,
question.
you ask something.
Sir, now if we perform the same experiment, except that we take two walls and between the two walls there's a taut string. So if we manage to create a wave in one direction, won't there be like an infinite loop of waves happening?
Yeah, it is. It is. It is a continuous process, perpetual process. Till the time you are moving your finger generating wave, that is the time for which the waves are reflected as well.
Yes.
Sir,
Okay?
and one.
And you
I
can
have a question.
generate multiple waves. Why only one you are talking of? I'm talking of multiple waves. You keep on generating and the wall will keep on doing the source to all the waves that you are generating. So all the waves are to get reflected. Yes, we have taken an ideal case over here, which is shape doesn't change. Okay? That is
Yes.
the ideal case which we are referring to. And that case has got relation with energy, which I'll be coming. If I'm keeping energy intact, then shape will not change because shape has to do much with energy or vice versa. Yes, Krish.
Sir, related to Adesh's question, sir, the particles when they move, so won't they be subjected to friction in air? So,
Of course, it will be subjected, but damping when we have considered it.
okay.
We
That's
have
what I
taken
asked.
that into consideration. We have not, right?
Okay, yes.
That is what is making me comfortable speak that shape of this bump is to remain the same. Otherwise, there will be an abate on shape. as it moves forward, shape will get diminished. There'll be aberration on energy as well, right, dear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, got it, dear? Anything else?
No, sir.
So, what we infer from here? We infer from here that reflection is inversing the phase. Can we say that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So if wave is reflected from the boundary of a relatively denser medium. Now here comes medium into picture. Here comes medium into picture. Got it here?
Yes, sir.
Now I'm talking
Yes, sir.
of medium. Tell me, rope is to do what to you or what to energy? You have produced a bump, right? That bump is moving. Say yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that bump is moving and it is moving. You know what is happening to rope? Rope is doing a medium. Can we say?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Particles of rope being nothing but particles of medium. Correct, dear?
Yes, sir.
How many media are there? Tell me, how many media are there? One medium is rope, the other medium wall. Can we say that?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So there being two media, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
One
sir.
medium rope, the other medium wall. There are two media. Same yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Wall is denser in comparison to rope, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Talking of material density, is it okay? So wall is denser
Yes.
in comparison to rope, correct, yeah?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
And we see the wave getting reflected. This is the wave. We see wave getting reflected by the wall, correct?
Yes, sir.
And as the wave is getting reflected by the wall, what is the phase difference? What is the phase difference between incident and reflected ray? Tell me, dear. What is the phase difference between incident and reflected ray? Tell me, all of you.
So the white wave is completely
I-
into the wall.
Yeah, when it is completely to the wall, phase difference. This went into the wall and what you got is known to all of you now. Correct, yeah?
Yes, sir. Yeah, pi. Pi is the
Yes,
phase.
sir.
What is the phase difference between incident wave and reflected wave? All of you please.
So
Pi
pi.
Uh,
Pi.
Phase
So
difference
pi.
of pi. Correct, yeah? The phase
Yes,
difference
sir.
of pi. So now we underscore the statement. Please highlight the statement. Underscore the statement which says, if wave is reflected from boundary of relatively denser medium, if wave is reflected from boundary of or interface of relatively denser medium, then
Yes.
there is a phase difference of pi. Then there is a phase difference of pi between incident and reflected ray. Got it? Then
Yes.
there is phase difference of pi between incident and reflected ray. Got it, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And now to the most important part of it, which you will not find anywhere. And that part being, what kind of wave is this? Let me know from any one of you first. What wave you have generated here on the string, longitudinal or transverse?
Transverse.
So
Transverse.
transverse.
Why you say so, dear? Why you
Yes.
say
So,
so, Adesh?
so because motion of particles is perpendicular to the direction of propagation.
Very good. Absolutely correct. Good, dear. Motion of particle, that means motion of part of rope, correct? Because
Yes,
rope
sir.
is the medium to us, correct? Yeah. Rope is the
Yes, sir.
medium to us, correct? So particle of rope means particle of medium. And how are they moving? They are moving in the direction perpendicular to propagation of wave, correct? Correct,
Yes.
all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
what we are into study, as said Adish and rightly so, transverse wave, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Now,
sir.
important point which I was to make. Yes, there is a phase difference of pi when wave is getting reflected from relatively denser medium. Yes, there is no two way about it. There is no two way about it. But it is to be limited to transverse wave. Now, this you will not find anywhere. It is to be limited to which wave? Transverse wave. Got it? That means this
Yes.
is true subject to the wave under study being transverse. If is not transverse, if is not transverse, rather longitudinal, then you are to get the exact opposite. Got it, dear? I'm using an oxymoron over here to be assertive. Exact opposite you are to get. Getting it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
It's a phase difference
By
zero.
that what I mean, coming to you, Krish, by that what I mean, that when we speak of longitudinal, we have to detail it later, in depth we have to study about it. But just for you to somehow satiate your inquisitiveness, if I am talking of longitudinal wave, then all of you are privy to longitudinal means trail of rarefaction and compression, correct? I'm
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
speaking, I'm using longitudinal wave, right? I can feel it, I
Yes,
can
sir.
see the pressure, and we can relate longitudinal wave more with pressure wave. We'll be studying about it later. For now, you are all known to at least rarefaction and compression, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now think of a compression hitting wall. A compression is to hit wall. Will you ever get a rarefaction out of that hit? If a compression hits the wall, will it get rarefied?
No.
No, sir.
It
No.
cannot get rarefied, correct? Yeah.
Yeah. Yes,
Sir.
sir.
So a compression hitting the wall will get you reflection of compression itself, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is the phase difference there? There is no phase difference, zero phase difference between incident and reflected, right? Yeah.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So when you talk of longitudinal wave, it is contrary to what you are getting in transverse. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
For this case, the statement that you have underlined holds water, not for longitudinal wave. Got it?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
Good. Now, furthering it, if this is what, when it is getting reflected by rigid or comparatively denser medium, then what will happen if it is getting reflected by comparatively rarer medium? Is it okay? What did I say next? When it is getting reflected by rarer medium. Got it? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
how
sir.
can we
Yes.
realize it? That generally is being realized by taking help of a ring. Look over here. This is a ring. Okay? So you take
Yes.
a smooth rod. This is a smooth rod. Visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And then we take a dimensionless, very small on dimension, meager on dimension, ring. Okay?
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
And this ring can slide freely on the rod. Is it okay?
Okay,
Yes,
yeah.
sir.
Then
Yes,
what will
sir.
happen? As it comes lifting all the points coming in its way, it will lift the ring as well.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And
Yes, sir.
ring will be no opposition. Rod will be no opposition to this lift. Same yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So rod will let it take its call and will be easy on rope. Thereby rope will move in which direction? Think about it. Or ring will move in which direction?
They'll move upwards. So they'll be like
Upwards.
Upwards without. There is nothing over here to obstruct its motion. Correct? Yeah.
Yes,
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 sir.
sir.
Okay. So it is on its free will. It can respond to bump and it is responding to bump. It moves in the upward direction and goes to the maximum position. And as it goes to the maximum position, this will be the shape of string. Think about it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
After all this happen, after all this, what will happen? The ring will start
Sir.
moving down. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
As the ring starts moving down and reclaims its original position, what will you be getting the shape to be? Will it not be this? Think about it.
Yes, sir.
Think about it, yeah. Think about it. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here we don't see any inversion, isn't it? Yeah.
Yes, sir. So one doubt.
Excuse me for the draw. I have taken different amplitude, though it will remain the same. Correct, yeah? Go by the
Yes,
nature.
sir.
They are in the same direction curve. Correct, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So nature remains the same. How we study it analytically, we say that there is one person who is generating the parent wave and there is another person who is generating the other wave. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yes, sir.
They meet. And as they meet, when this is halfway in and this also halfway in, then the ring will be maximum displaced. And that maximum displaced will be given by A to A. If this is A and this also A, then the maximum displacement of ring will be how much? 2A. Why 2A? Because A from the right, the parent one, and A from the left. Correct, Vidya?
Yes, sir.
So maximum displacement of the ring will be 2A. When the parent one is halfway in, correct?
Yes, sir.
Clear
Yes,
to all
sir.
of you? Check it here, check it. Is it fine?
Sir,
Tell here.
won't displacement be in upward direction?
Yeah, only upward. You cannot go down. What did I say down?
No, sir, on the
It
board.
will be of the ring in the upward direction only. I was over here on quantum of displacement. Quantum of displacement will be governed by the two bumps, right here.
Yes, sir.
And it is to see its maximum when, or what will be that maximum value? That maximum value will be twice of A, where A is their respective maximum, correct?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
one more question.
Yes, please.
Sir, were the two strings, right? They're on the opposite ends and flipped by two people. So shouldn't the timing be same and the length of string be same and nature of material also?
Everything should
Can
be
would
same
be.
here. That's the reason we say we are into analysis. If you tweak, even by a whimper, if you are into tweaking, everything is to fall like 9 pins.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
and
Ah.
I had a question. 1 second, sir. I forgot. It's okay, sir. I forgot. I forgot the question. I had in my mind right now.
Okay, no issue. You can recollect later. Okay, is it okay, dear? This is done then. Can we say that we know on reflection what will happen when?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Now tell me how much soever I have been harping on, I am not
So,
yet clear with what exactly is wave. Can you tell me what to you is wave then?
Sir,
As of
the
what we
question,
have studied, what is wave? Yes, Chris.
sir, if one doubt, if the wall it can provide resistance, but then it's optically it's relatively rarer, sir. And if we originate a wave on the wall, so won't the wall crumble?
Come again. If you are what you are doing over here, ball. You're taking a ball over here.
No, sir. If it's a wall, but then it's relatively rarer, sir. It can resist. It can give us a little.
Then there will be transmission as well as reflection.
Okay.
Okay, you are talking of composite string, correct?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yes. So at the joint, some part of the wave will get transmitted and some part will get reflected. Now, a genuine question can be, what about their phase, right?
Yes, sir.
There is never a phase difference between incident and transmitted. Emboss it. Is it okay?
Yes,
There
sir.
is never a phase difference between incident and transmitted. We read for phase difference only between incident and reflected, right, Chris?
Yes, sir.
Okay, got your question answered?
Yeah.
Okay.
But the wall
Now,
won't crumble, no, sir. The wall won't crumble. If the
won't
wall can.
but one can say, see, you cannot be dismissive of some part of energy will get lost, right, Krish?
Yeah, yes, sir.
So that energy is getting lost in what form? It is going into the wall only, correct?
Yes, sir.
And energy means wave to us, fine? So that
Yes.
is what we are relating it to. Some part is getting into the wall. And what is that wave called, or what will that wave be called? That wave will be called transmitted wave. Is it okay?
Okay. Yes, sir.
So standing wave is not that. By the way, to get the same shape is not that easy. Because whatever is the loss in wall, you will have to provide it, correct? Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
And I'm to relate to next that how is energy dependent on amplitude. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
But that I'll come to first. Make me clear. I've been ranting on the word wave. What exactly is wave to you?
It's a
Sir,
What is
what I've
nutshell?
learned, sir, can we say that it's a disturbance where the net movement of particles is zero?
Okay, I'll take
Yes,
that.
sir,
Okay,
I
any
know.
other impression anyone having? Any other narrative?
No, sir. It's the same. Yeah.
Okay, so you are relating it with disturbance, and disturbance in turn is to be related with energy, right?
Okay,
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so energy in a way, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll get back to this. Energy is what you have related it to. I'll get back to this. But first, mathematically, how to write equation of wave. Now, this is mathematics. So please look at that. How to write equation of wave.
So does it mean transfer the same energy throughout?
Can be there, if damping is absent, then you can say so. But distribution can change if there is to be seen a set of waves.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Then what will you get energy as is a function of position. But total will remain same. We'll be discussing about those details here. We are in the beginning of wave, right? So tell me
Yes.
mathematically, there is a shape given. And the equation of this shape is y is equal to fx. I think all of you know this. Y is equal to fx. Y is function of x. This is y. Is it okay?
Yes,
This
Yes.
is
sir.
y.
Yes.
And this is x. So wherever y will be, anywhere you take y, y will be function of x. Correct? Yeah. Say me yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. At x is equal to 0, at x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 here, right? Okay.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now keeping it intact, keeping the shape intact, you move it forward by some amount. This is your exercise. You move it forward by, let's say, b. How will I write y now? Y is equal to anyone?
Sir, y is equal to f of x plus b.
Okay. Krish,
Yes, sir. Y is equal to f of b.
f of b, okay. Pratyush, it is varying with x, Krish. It is not
Okay.
constant. F of b will say there will be only one value.
Okay. Yeah. Then f of x plus b. Yeah.
Okay. Pratyush,
Sir, I'd like to change my answer.
okay. Pankaj, Pratyush, you're not audible here. Is there some disturbance at the backdrop? Pratyush, is Pratyush audible to all of you?
No,
Mm.
sir.
Sir, he left.
I'll be joining me, some problem. Yes, Pratyush, tell me.
Hello.
Ah,
Hello.
yeah, that's fine. Yeah, tell me.
Sir, I thought, sir, you are not visible.
Sir,
I'm
I
not.
can see you.
Oh, yes, now, yes.
Ah, say here.
Sir, I thought it will be function of b, but as you said now it will be not. So I am thinking it will be x plus b.
Okay.
Sir,
Yeah. You done?
Uh, so y equals to fx plus b. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Adesh, you were saying something. You want to change.
Sir, sir, I don't think it can depend on B. Sir, I'd like to change. It doesn't depend on B. So, because, so it can't depend on B, right? Because even when y is 0, even after there's a distance B, so that time also y is 0, and in the initial position also y is 0. So it can't depend on B. Uh,
That means it will remain fx.
so,
Are you suggestive of it remaining fx? Unchanged.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, I don't know, but then these are something which must be known to you, dear. Why is not this being comprehended easily? I'm slightly reckoning. fx, it cannot be ruled out right away because fx means at x is equal to 0, y is 0. fx means at x is equal to 0, y is 0. Okay? So x is equal to 0, y is 0, okay. But y is also 0 when x is equal to b. Y is also 0 when x is equal to b. Correct, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now
sir.
we come to y is equal to f x plus b. Three of you did vouch for this one. Place over here x is equal to 0. Let us say. Place over here x is equal to 0. Okay? Fine. So x is equal to 0. You get FB. Tell me over here, look at the figure, all of you. If I say, what should be the value of x for y to be 0? And one of the student, he picked on, x should be b, right? So at x is equal to b, y is 0, agreed or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The value of xb over here. You get fb plus b, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What do you get then this to be? F2b, correct?
Yes, sir.
So at x is equal to b, y should have been 0. But you're getting y is equal to f of 2b, correct?
Yes, sir.
So ruled out. Then we go for y is equal to f x minus b. Tell me.
Yeah, yeah.
Zero.
That should
Yeah.
work.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. That
Yes,
should work.
sir.
Yeah.
Now you place the value of x is equal to b there. What do we get? Y is equal to f0, right? Yeah? And
Yes,
except.
Yes.
So please
Yes.
remember, this comes from function in mathematics. If you are moving to right, then it will be represented by y is equal to f x minus whatever distance you have moved forward by, correct?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
And if in left, then x plus b, correct? Yeah.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Moving leftward, then this will be represented by fx plus b. Got it, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Good. Now, as it is moving and moving with, let's say, constant speed v, clear? Moving with constant speed v, clear, dear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then, in time t, what distance it will move is vt.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can we replace b to make it general? Can we replace b by vt? To make it a generic statement, are you getting it? Because B
Yes,
is not general, B is subjective. B will relate to one point, correct?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
To make it generic, to make it time dependent, subject to time, not point, can we replace B by VT?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Agreed or not? I didn't get an
Yes,
information from all of you.
Yes, sir.
B
No,
is
sir,
the
I-
distance idea. B
Okay,
is
yeah.
a particular distance. And if I am to
Okay.
take all the distance under my belt, then what we can do? Instead of writing B, we can write VT. VT will take care of every point for a given
Yeah.
time.
Yeah.
That
Yes,
point can be
yes.
fixed, correct?
Yes,
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So what we get to see from here is y is equal to x minus vt. Very important here. Y is equal to x minus vt. Now y is equal to x minus vt. This is an observation that we have made. Now let us try to study physics in it. Let us try to establish sense there. And to establish sense there, what I'll be asking you is to be dismissive of one of the two parameters. Firstly, y depends on two parameters over here. What are they? One is x, the other is time, correct?
So won't it be f of x minus vt?
Yeah, that is what I mean. X minus vt.
Okay, yes, sir.
This is minus. Not visible, Vish?
No, sir, it is visible, sir. It is visible.
So if it is moving in the positive x direction, then x minus vt, negative x direction, then x plus vt. Okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what I was asking you on, are the parameters 2 or more than 2 for y? How many factors it depends on? What are the variables over here? One is
So
x
two.
and the other is t, correct?
Yes.
Okay. So it depends on x, it depends on t. Can we say that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Very good. Take one at a time to understand wave and to understand its full throttle in watts and all. Take one at a time. Is it okay? That means be dismissive of one of the two parameters. First, you assume time to be a constant. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Assume
Yes,
time to be a constant. That means time is not changing. Time is not changing. Fine, dear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
there
sir.
was a bump moving on the rope. What you do? You take a snapshot. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Got
sir.
it here? There was a
Yes,
bump was moving on rope. Correct, yeah? That is what is
Yes,
wave
sir.
for you. Correct, yeah? Same yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
And
sir.
what do? You take a click. If you take a snapshot, then you freeze time, right?
Yes, sir.
So whatever I have drawn on board, they are all variation of y with x, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
They are being drawn for a particular time. Say me yes or no.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So as this being drawn for a particular time, this is a click. As this being drawn for a particular time, this is another snapshot. Then what did I freeze? I froze time, correct?
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
So
sir.
these are variation of y. Y, you can see y is varying, correct? Yeah. And y is varying with x, correct?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is to show you how y varies with x. When time we are dismissive of, discounting on, correct? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
That is
sir.
easy to compare. Good. Now I'll be discounting on x. Is it okay? That means I'll be
Yes.
discounting on position. Got it, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What I'll be discounting on is position, correct?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And that is to be understood. If you discount on position, that means you fix position, correct?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now you take a bump, and that bump is in motion, of course. What you do, you fix your position of read. This is your position. Let me start with this is your position. X is equal to 5. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Where is the particle as of now here?
Yes,
Again,
sir.
This is
Yes,
my
sir.
y. This is my y-axis. So we can find position of particle. Okay. This is the position of particle displacement, and I'm marking it as y1. Anyone having any problem?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Now, after some time, as the pump is in motion, after some time, what will happen? Tell me.
So
What
the
happened?
particle wave will move.
Forward, right here.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So let me draw the shape. Okay, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Its shape intact, it has moved forward. Say me yes or no.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Where is the particle now?
That another position.
Got it? So that is the position of particle. I mark y2, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So y1 was at a particular time t1 and y2 is at the other time t2, correct?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now concentrate on the particle. How is the particle moving on the line x is equal to 5?
So will it be SHM?
Okay, yeah, it can be depending on which function we are to take. For now, can we say periodic? Or
Yes.
can we say is to tow this line y is equal to 5?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it moves up and then comes down. Can we say that? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So it remains on this line. Here, what did we fix, Krish? It was
Time.
x, correct?
Yeah, X, yeah.
We
Okay.
fixed x. In the previous case, if you can recollect,
Time.
we fixed time. We froze time, right?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now we are freezing x. And then what we are able to see that y can vary with x, y can vary with time, and we have seen the variations in isolation. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Did we
Yes,
sir.
see
sir.
the variation of y in solo with x in the previous case? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here see variation of y solo in solitude with time. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So you got to see both the variation in isolation. Agreed, dear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
When
sir.
you talk of wave, then wave means amalgamation. So the variation or y will depend not only on x but also on time, right, dear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Y will vary with x and y will also vary with time. Got it, dear?
Yes. Sir,
Yes,
can you
sir.
explain variation of the time once more? I don't get that.
Time over here, Krish, is first to be seen because it's difficult to comprehend otherwise. It is being so superimposed. So we are weeding one out. At a time, we are going with only one. We're doing it. Is it okay? And the grade that this time I have picked on is time. Fine? So time being picked up, and we are dismissive of x. How can I be dismissive of x? By fixing x.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So x is not changed. X is fixed. You can take x as 0 as well. Okay, dear?
Yes, sir.
Any
Yes,
x.
sir.
And as waves move, Krish, what will happen to particle falling on x is equal to 5?
No,
Particle
sir.
falling on x is equal to 5 will move up and then come down, right? For
Yes,
this
sir.
bump. If it is a continuous trail, then it'll keep on moving up and down. But
Yes,
it's not
sir.
a continuous trail, right?
Yes,
I'm
sir.
taking one bump, correct? Yeah.
Yeah, yes, sir.
So what will happen? It will move up, and as the wave is off it, it will reinstate, right?
Yes, sir. Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Think
Yes,
about
sir.
this. Think about this. X is equal to 6. Where was it? Here, right?
Yeah. So then after that will be
Now, correct?
yes, sir. Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
that is what has to happen to every point. Got it, dear?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
I got.
And
Yeah,
as
sir.
it
Yes.
X to see him fixed there, so this variation is in solo to be read against time. But when it comes to wave, Y is to be seen varying with X as well as time. Okay, dear?
Yes,
The
sir.
best
Yes, sir.
example of wave will be there are a lot of snakes slithering nowadays. So the best example of wave will be to see if you can stand, if you are brave enough to stand side of snake, don't do that by the way. Then you can see because that will generate wave in your bodies as well. So what will you be able to see is when snake is in motion, the motion of its body is what is called wave. Is what
Yeah.
is called because
Yeah,
there
yes.
you can see snake moving at the same time the way in which it is the body is being curled. Is it okay? Yeah, swayed, right?
Yes.
Yes.
sir.
So that is the motion that we are referring to. Or if you want to realize it, then you have iron strand easily available in market, right? Yeah.
Mm. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
You can get easily. Now you bend that iron strand in the form of a sinusoidal curve, right?
Mm.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And move it. Okay, dear?
Yes,
Bend
sir.
it in
Yes,
the
sir.
form of sinusoidal curve and move it, correct?
Mm. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
That is what is wave today.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Mm.
That
Yes,
is
sir.
practicality. I'm talking of the practical examples. Is it okay, dear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
That is wave to you, and you can analyze that why the displacement there will vary with x and also vary with time, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, let me ask you off as I did. I asked you, how will you change fx? You said fx will be changed to fx minus vt, correct? Yeah. Why?
Yes.
Because the bump is forward by what distance? By distance vt, correct? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Suppose y is denoted by a sine of the angle omega t. There's a function. I'm getting a function. Y is equal to a sine of the angle omega t, right? Yeah.
Mm. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This time function in time, not in x but in time. Is it okay?
Mm. Yes, sir.
Y function of time. Yes or no? Tell me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And that is a sine of the angle omega t, any given any time, any function. A sine of the angle omega t on time. Correct?
Mm.
Any straight function. Now I ask, represent this function after a time elapse of t prime. Correct?
Mm.
What did I
Yes.
say? Present this function after a time elapse of t prime. Got it, dear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what will you say? In keeping with what you have studied over here, tell me, dear. Y will be represented as f t minus t prime, correct?
Mm. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It was x minus b, same dimension as that of x, correct? Yeah.
Mm. Yes, sir.
So here
Yes,
t
sir.
minus t prime, correct? Same dimension as that of time. Say yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now f t. Can we write t prime as x by v, where x is the distance
Yes, sir.
traveled and
Yes,
v the
sir.
v the speed?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Got it
Yes.
here?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now place it over here. Y is equal to a sine omega bracket open. What should I replace t by? There is
X
t.
by V
T
minus X by
minus
V.
t prime, correct?
Yes,
T
sir.
minus t
T
prime.
minus x by
Yes
v.
or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
I want to generalize it. So t minus t prime. T prime is x by v. This I am to replace over here t by, correct? Check it
Yeah.
out.
Yes.
Check it out, all of you. Convinced?
Yes, sir.
Convinced.
Yes, sir.
This gets us a sine of the angle omega t minus omega by v into x.
Mm. Yeah.
Oh.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
This is what is represented as y is equal to a sine of the angle omega t minus kx. K is representation which we use for omega by V. Got it, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
And we know omega is 2 pi f, and V is known to you since time immemorial, f into lambda, right? Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So K can also be shaped to 2 pi by lambda. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is general equation of a wave, provided the basic equation is this one, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
From here only we got to this, correct? So if basic equation
Yes.
is this, then this is the equation of wave, which is propagating in which direction? Positive x direction. Got it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
So this we are to dwell on for long, because you will get to know later that it is not about energy, rather about Maxwell's equation. But those are very interesting points to be taken. Be taking it as and when it falls, maybe in the next class. For now, I'm keeping to this. Revise this portion, yeah. Wave is of
Okay, yes.
yeah.
yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Shall we keep to this today?
So can
So
you
one
solve those questions?
I'll be taking those questions with you. If you want to stay. Yes,
So,
dear.
sir, my school is going to start on on Monday online from 8 to 3 o'clock.
From Monday,
8 to
8 to 3.
yes, sir.
Continuous.
Sorry, sir.
You may not be privy to schedule, right? Dear? They cannot keep it continuous as per government now.
So it's continuous. Actually, it's continuous. Only
That's
5-minute gap between each. Sir, I'll
because it
send
is
you the timetable.
So that is what I'm saying. They will get you the timetable, and there must be somewhere or the other placement, some or the other for me to maneuver. Because unless and until I'm known to your exact schedule, and 8 to 3, it cannot be continuous. They will be flouting government rule otherwise.
Okay. Sir, I'll send you the timetable
Not
once.
the case. There'll be somewhere. I'll get some space to maneuver, so that will get to know when when you're getting your schedules.
Yes, sir.
For now, 8 to 3. Even if I'm keeping 8 to 3, after 3 you are free, right?
Yes, sir. Sir, and also in Allen, there's going to be a holiday from 25th June to 15th July.
Oh, that is good enough. That is 2 hours soon.
Yes, sir.
Why holiday, Faisal?
So because ICC board exams are there now.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, then that's good. Then we
Yes,
are
sir.
even.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, fine. The rest of you can leave. Krish, we will remain.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, dear. Thank you, Adish. Thank you, Pratyush. Thank you,
Thank you, sir.
Vedant. Pratyush, you